Hello friends, Chipinda channel once again. So trigonometry part 23rd. So those who did not gone through previous parts, go through it. So now the important question for various competitive examinations follows. If sin x plus cos x is 1 by 5, then we had to determine tan x. So don't be confused by seeing the question. Okay. So this is given, this then we had to find out this one. So let us go through the various steps now. So consider sin x plus cos x is equal to 1 by 5. So to get tan x, we will go through various steps. So you may have 2 or 3 methods. I am going to adopt the easy method, and you should have the basic knowledge of trigonometry and other chapters. Let us see what are the various chapters we are going to get now. So here dividing by, this is marked as equation 1, dividing by cos x we get. So for one we are given equation, we are dividing by cos x. So directly I am writing because it is a lengthiest. I am going to reduce the steps. So splitting here, sin x by cos x plus cos x by again cos x is equal to 1 by 5 by cos x. So here tan x plus, this is 1, is equal to here 1 by 5 by cos x. So nothing but 1 by 5 cos x. So finally, if you are going to simplify, you are going to get 1 by 5 cos x. So 1 by cos x is nothing but sec x. So that way I am going to write, so 1 by 5 sec x. So if you observe carefully here, to get the value of tan x here, finally this equation has been reduced to in terms of tan x and sec x. So as we know that the important trigonometric identity is sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1, that we are going to apply here. So in order to apply, it should have the squares. So in order to do that one, we have to square on both sides. So squaring on both sides, we get so this is LHS and this is simplified RHS. So tan x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 1 by 5 sec x the whole square. Expand in the fashion of a plus b whole square for the LHS. So I can write here a square. So tan square x plus b square 1 square plus 2 into tan x into 1 is equal to sec square x by 25 a by b whole power m. So better to shift sec x in terms of tan x using the identity. Okay. So now this I can write it as tan square x plus 1 plus 2 tan x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. I can write here this one by 25. So by cross multiplication, directly I am doing the cross multiplication because the problem may be lengthy. So 25 into all the 3 terms, so that I am going to get here 25 tan square x plus 1 into 25 plus 25 2s are 50 tan x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Shifting all the terms to LHS part. Now here I am going to get 25 tan square x minus tan square x, nothing but 24 tan square x plus 50 tan x. Okay, this one, and here it is 25 plus 1 transpose to LHS minus 1. Finally, I am going to get 24 is equal to 0. So finally all the terms has been reduced to the 3 terms. Now this is a, if you observe carefully, this is a quadratic equation in tan x. Okay. So if tan x is equal to kn, we can proceed or we can do directly. So now before doing that, if you observe carefully in the 3 terms you have here multiples of 2 in each and every term, taking 2 as common, so that I can write now. So this implies 2 of, if I take 2 common in the first term, I am going to get here 12 tan square x plus 25 tan x plus 12 is equal to 0. So 0 to transporting to RHS going to get divide, nothing but 0.2 is 0. So finally I can write here now 12 tan square x plus 25 tan x plus 12 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation by splitting method, no need to fear. In 12 into 12 144 and middle is 25 tan x, so nothing but 16 9c is nothing but 25. So that now I can write here 12 tan square x plus 16 tan x plus 9 tan x plus 12 is equal to 0. In the first two terms I can take tan x, at the same time it is multiple of 4, 12 and 16, so that 4 tan x into 3 tan x plus 4. Here it is, after taking 3 as common from the last two terms of the given here, so that I can write 3 tan x plus 4 is equal to 0. If you are feeling tidy, go for tan x is equal to k and proceed. So at last you can consider k is equal to tan x and you are going to get 2 k values, nothing but tan x values. So finally I can write here 4 tan x plus 3 into 3 tan x plus 4 is equal to 0. Yields to direct step I am writing tan x is equal to minus 3 by 4 or tan x is equal to here minus 4 by 3. Okay. So now in this way you can get the value of, pick up the value of tan x by various mathematical operations, squaring on both sides and trigonometric identities, and here quadratic equation solve. Therefore tan x is equal to, now I can write minus 3 by 4 or minus 4 by 3. So this is a conclusion for the given problem. In the various competitive examinations, skip it, go for fast calculations, you are going to get the answer. So like this, this is a subjective process. Okay. Once you have the total look of this problem, and in the first step itself, we have to divide by cos x to get the quantity, and here squaring on both sides and proceeding, and here quadratic equation solving. So please viewers, like this, to get the base knowledge. Okay, keep on going all my videos, watch it. Okay, see you in the next video session. Have a nice day. This is Santosh from Square Maths YouTube channel.